Tesla Sweden permitted to use replacement plates. Recent reports have indicated that Tesla Sweden was able to gain a small but important victory in its conflict with trade union IF Metall. As per the Swedish Transport Agency, Tesla would be able to continue using replacement plates for its vehicles. The strategy would allow the EV maker to get around PostNord's sympathy strike, which prevented the company from receiving license plates for its cars. Tesla Sweden has been working to get around the numerous disruptive efforts from IF Metall and its allies through a variety of creative strategies. One of these involved using a method of changing ownership and the Swedish Transport Agency's service to secure replacement plates, as noted in an SVT Nyheter report. These replacement plates are typically used to change damaged or lost plates. But Tesla was able to use this loophole to ensure that its customers could still drive their cars despite the company's conflict with the trade union. In an email to the publication, the Swedish Transport Agency reportedly noted that Tesla could help its customers secure license plates for their vehicles. And again, Tesla does something that no one have done before. Tesla is like no other company ever existed. The Swedish Transport Agency has previously said that the system has never been used in this way before. That possibility exists from a service perspective, for example, that a workshop should be able to assist the owner of a vehicle to order new registration plates via direct notification. The Swedish Transport Agency noted. The agency previously noted that the replacement plate system has never been used this way in the past. Tesla Sweden's license plate loophole was widely reported in December, and the Swedish Transport Agency responded by stating that it would be reviewing its rules. However, Susanne Dahlberg Carlson, section manager of the Vehicle Information Department at the Swedish Transport Agency, noted in an email to SVT that the organization would no longer be investigating the matter. The authority will not currently proceed with an investigation regarding this service possibility, Carlson noted. Veli-Pekka Saikale, IF Metall's contract secretary, issued a comment about the development. What is important now is that the state and authorities do not change rules during an ongoing conflict. And if the regulations were like this before, it should continue to be like this. Then we thought it would be better if Tesla couldn't do this, then we might have ended this conflict faster, he said. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Teslarati.